Most football shorts look exactly the same. A few clips, some trending music, and a couple of transitions. And then creators wonder why their videos struggle to stand out. But here's the thing. The football channels getting attention aren't just showing highlights. They're transforming them into stories. Today, I'll show you the workflow I use to turn football moments into highly transformative shorts using Claude AI and CapCut. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to find football moments, generate engaging on-screen text with AI, create a more unique viewing experience, and edit everything together into a fast-paced short. I've also prepared a free sound effects pack and the exact Claude AI prompts I use. Let's start with the first step. How do you find a football idea that's actually worth editing? Most creators think they need a completely original idea. That's not true. What you need is a fresh angle. When I'm looking for ideas, I study what other creators are posting, not to copy them. To understand what's getting attention, I might watch 2 or 3 different football shorts and take inspiration from each one. Maybe one has a great story, another has an interesting transition, and another has a strong emotional moment. Then I combine those ideas into something new. Once I find a football moment I want to edit, I move to the next step. Adding context. Because a football clip without context is just another football clip. This is where Claude AI comes in. I'll take the moment I'm editing and explain what's happening in simple language. Then I'll use my prompt and ask Claude to generate short on-screen text ideas. The goal isn't to copy everything Claude gives you. The goal is to find lines that make viewers understand what's happening and feel something while watching. A great football short doesn't just show the moment. It builds anticipation, creates emotion, and tells a story. Once I have the text I want to use, it's time to start editing. I've already prepared the final edit, so now I'll break down exactly how I created it inside CapCut. Watch carefully because the techniques you're about to see are the same principles I use to make football moments feel more dynamic, engaging, and memorable. Let's jump into the edit. The first thing I do is go through all the footage and cut out only the best moments. Usually, I keep each clip between 3 and 4 seconds long. Don't just place random clips on the timeline. Try to arrange them so the viewer feels like they're watching a story unfold. Every clip should lead naturally into the next one. Once your story is ready, add your music track. I like to place the biggest beat drop right before the final reveal, where the skull face appears. This creates anticipation and makes the ending feel much more powerful. Next, identify the main player in each clip. Add the player's name along with an arrow symbol and manually track it using transform keyframes. It takes a little extra time, but this instantly makes your edit feel more professional and helps viewers follow the action. Now it's time to add the text we generated with Claude AI. Place each line exactly where the moment happens in the video. To make the captions feel more dynamic, apply a typing animation so the text appears as the story unfolds. After that, let's work on sound design. This is where many editors lose a huge opportunity. Add whoosh sound effects whenever you use transitions, and add typing sounds to match the text animation. Small details like these make the edit feel much more polished. For the final clip, add your skull face overlay and create a black shadow behind it. This helps the skull stand out and gives the ending a more dramatic look. To make the reveal even stronger, apply the swing bottom animation to the last clip. Then add a shake effect to both the skull face and the background clip. This combination creates a lot of energy and makes the final moment hit much harder. Next, apply the filters and effects I'm using on screen. I'm using the exact settings shown here, so feel free to copy them directly into your own project. Now let's make the transitions smoother. Add transitions between the clips like this, and don't forget to pair them with whoosh sound effects. Visual transitions always feel better when they're supported by audio. Whenever the ball is kicked, add a ball-kicking sound effect right at the point of contact. Even if the original audio isn't very clear, these extra sound effects make the action feel more impactful. Finally, whenever a goal is scored, add this green light effect along with this sound effect. This creates a reward moment for the viewer and makes the goal feel more exciting and memorable. That's pretty much the entire workflow I use to transform ordinary football clips into fast-paced football shorts that feel more original, engaging, and story-driven. By the way, I found most of these clips on Ahdaf Quora, Instagram, and TikTok. If you're looking for footage, you'll find the links in the description below.